Make money online, tips to make affiliate marketing work for you. A strategy that businesses use for growth is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing strategies benefit companies by allowing them to bring in more potential customers, which results in more profit for the business. For those who have never used affiliate marketing, there are some things to know before applying it to your business. The following video will provide you with information about affiliate marketing. If you find the website of the product owners not very well done, you can easily find affiliate link cloaker tools. These programs allow you to link any page from the company's website. Link your audience directly to the page where they can buy the product if your own website provides enough content. If you are creating an affiliate marketing program, be sure to give your affiliates a wide selection of powerful tracking tools. This makes it easier for them to see what links are working and what aren't, which means better profits for you as well. Also, more powerful tools will attract more experienced marketers. It is best to hide purchase links to an affiliate's product a few pages deep in a website. This cushions the casual visitor from hard sell techniques and ensures that visitors who find the affiliate link do so because they have a genuine interest in the product. The pages leading to the product link should encourage this interest. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. While working on your current affiliate program, do not be afraid to start laying the groundwork for future endeavors. In your spare time, you can start coding up a new site, building new bridges to new bases, working on link exchanges with current friends, and much more. Just remember to take things slowly. If you ever become involved with a self-hosted affiliate and begin to do well, turning out big commissions, you should never be afraid to ask for more money. Product providers want to keep their best earning affiliates, and you can get a 10% bump by simply asking for it, so do not shy away from asking. Furthermore, businesses use the affiliate marketing strategy for growth. Affiliate marketing draws more customers to businesses, which in turn creates more profit. If you have never used affiliate marketing, then the information from this video will help you use it with your business to gain more customers and generate more profit. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.